Hey mates, how's life behind bars? Not these bars, but these bars. And for one of you out there, it's going to be behind these bars. That's right, I am putting my Triumph Tiger up for raffle. So it's on the website now. If you didn't see the last raffle we did, it was a huge success and it went to a very lucky winner in Wiltshire who is now riding around on a brand spanking new, well, it's not brand spanking new now, he's had it a few months, but he's got that beautiful R1250GS with all the Krapovich titanium crash bars, exhaust system, the Jekyll and Hyde rear silencer as well. It is fully loaded. Now, if you've been following the channel, you'll know this bike. We've had it for over a year now, so it's literally just had its annual service. It's done under 4,000 miles. I can't remember exactly how many miles as I'm making this video, but it's less than 4,000. I've only ridden this bike properly once. That is when I rode it down to Corsica last year, and I did just around about 3,600 miles on it. And then with a few other miles from a few Sunday little ride outs, we're coming up just under 4,000 miles. It's barely running, so it's as good as new. I'll put a link to the videos down below and you see it up above where you can see this bike and all of the R&D, the research and development that we've done on this bike to help Hex and Denali create the EasyCan and the CanSmart for this bike. So if you've got an EasyCan or a CanSmart on your Tiger, well, this was the bike which was used to help with the R&D with that. It's a cracking bike. I love it. The engine is sublime. If only we could have this engine on my BMW, I'd be super happy. But when it comes to making a choice, I still prefer, and I'm completely in love with my GS. So that's not going anywhere just yet. If you want to try your lucky chance and win this bike, like, take a look around it, everything we've done to it. So you've got a full Denali package on there. We've got Denali driving spots up here. You can program them however you wish. The lucky winner can choose how he wants to program them. I've got them set up where I actually don't have the white spotlights on. They only come on for full beam, but I've got my D3 fog lights with an amber lens and I've got them synchronized with the indicators on the bikes. When we indicate, they flash on the respective side. And then when we go to full beam, the D3 spots get brighter. You'll notice I've also upgraded the indicators on the Tiger from when I had it from new. So we've got the sequential turn signals on the bike. We've got the full dash cam system on there. So it's got an Inov K3 dash cam system. We've hidden the front camera nicely inside the nose. So it's very discreet, you can hardly notice it. Then obviously you've got the camera on the back as well. So you can got all the rear view, just in case you do see any accidents or incidents going on. You've got a track record. This bike is recording all the time whilst the ignition is on. And then you've got a remote control on the handlebar. So by pressing that, you can lock video files or take pictures as you're going along. The other thing we've done to this is we've fitted the full powder coated, because we're apparently the only people, as I'm making this video, the only people that offer powder coated bark busters at the same price as you can buy the standard bark busters. So this is the powder coated bark busters with the white on black VPS hand shields with the skid plates on the corner as well. So it comes with that. It's got a shed load of Evotech on there. So we've got the Evotech bone mount. What I've got on here, which will go to the new owner, you can change it if you want to, is a Peak Design. I've adapted a Peak Design mount, which fits on there. So if you've got a Peak Design case, you can just pop your phone straight onto that. You've got Evotech sliders on the front. You've got Evotech sliders on the back. You've also got another Evotech slider on the swing arm down here on the right side of the bike. So if in the unfortunate circumstances you do drop this bike, well, you've got all that protection there, which is going to save you big money. Well, it should hopefully save you fairings. It's also got an SW Motec tank ring on the bike, and the lucky winner can choose whatever tank bag he wants to go on this. So we've got the whole range. The only catch to that is, if you look at the video that I did months ago, the only one that fits this bike, they'll all fit on the tank ring, but it restricts the movement of the handlebar. The only one that's properly, successfully sits on there without making contact with the bars is the micro bag. I've had a Yukon and a day pack on here. It does touch on full lock, but whatever bag you want, the lucky winner will get that bag as well. You've got the rear B6 light, so I think that's very, very handy if you decide to put a top box on this bike, especially when you're in traffic. By having that extra auxiliary light, which is all plugged into the EasyCan, I forgot to mention that. I'll come on to that in a minute, the Easy Can. But having that extra light at the back just gives you added visibility at the back from, especially from vans and lorries, if they can't see your tail light on the bike because of your luggage on the back of the bike. I've probably forgotten something, but I don't want to make this video too long. It's a cracking bike, it's fantastic. It's just had its first service. I think it's still got 2 years warranty left on it. So why don't you get on the website and buy a raffle ticket, and so you are in for a chance of winning this magnificent bike. Oh yes, and the other thing it's got is the sound bomb. So that's all wired into the bike as well. So when you hit your factory horn button on the bike, the sound bomb will go off, which is 100 times, not literally 100 times, but it's very, very loud, much louder than the majority of car horns that are out there, even lorry horns on the road. So that really gets traffic out of the way and helps you get noticed on the road when someone pulls out on you. I think you agree, it's a stonkingly good bike. Good luck everyone, and we will announce the winner in due course. When you go on the website, you'll see all the terms and conditions and the date of the draw once I've made my mind up when we're going to do that. But that'll be all on the website by the time you go on there, the date of the draw. Right, good luck everyone. Stay safe behind bars, not these bars, these bars. See you in the next video.